This is not the kind of monitor that tries to win you over with just specs on paper. It is built to deliver a completely different viewing experience, and once you spend time with it, you start to understand why it stands out. At first glance, it looks like a standard 27-inch 4K display with a clean professional design. The bezels are slim, the stand is sturdy, and the overall look fits perfectly into a modern workspace. It feels premium without being flashy, which is exactly what you would expect from a high-end productivity monitor. But the real difference shows up when you activate its core feature. The glasses' free 3D experience powered by advanced eye tracking technology. The display follows your eyes and adjusts the visuals in real time, creating a sense of depth that makes digital content feel more lifelike. Instead of everything being flat, you start to notice layer separation and perspective in a way that traditional monitors simply cannot deliver, and what makes it even better is how natural it feels. After a short period of use, it becomes part of your workflow rather than something distracting. Even if you switch back to standard mode, the monitor still performs like a solid 4K panel. The resolution ensures sharp details across text, images, and videos, making it ideal for multitasking, editing, and everyday professional work. Everything looks crisp, clean, and highly detailed. Color accuracy is another strong area. This display is clearly tuned for creators, so whether you are editing photos, grading videos, or working on digital designs, you get reliable and consistent color output, which is essential for professional-level work. The build quality adds to the overall experience. It feels durable and well-engineered with a design that focuses on simplicity and functionality. It does not try to be overly aggressive or flashy, it just works and looks good doing it. Connectivity is also handled well, allowing you to connect multiple devices without any hassle. This makes it a practical choice for users who switch between different systems or use multiple machines in their workflow. The real value of this monitor comes into play for creators and professionals working in 3D environments. Designers can visualize their work with actual depth, engineers can analyze structures more effectively, and developers can create and test immersive content in a way that feels more realistic. For gaming, the added depth can make supported titles feel more engaging and dynamic. It is not something every game will fully utilize, but when it works, the difference is noticeable and adds an extra layer of immersion. Performance overall is smooth. The eye tracking is responsive and keeps up with movement without lag. Switching between 2D and 3D modes is quick and seamless, so it never feels like a complicated process. This is not meant for basic everyday use. If you are only browsing or watching videos, there are more affordable options that will do the job just fine. But if you are interested in advanced display technology and want something that pushes beyond traditional limits, this becomes a very compelling option. It represents a shift toward more interactive and immersive screens, showing what the future of displays could look like in real-world applications. If you want to explore more about pricing and availability, you can check the link in the description and see if it fits your setup and workflow. Overall, this monitor is less about incremental upgrades and more about introducing a new way to experience digital content, making it one of the most unique displays available right now.